DropMind, AI for eBay sellers. Find products, list, scale automatically. Your eBay listing is live. It looks good to you, but 0 views, 0 sales, 0 messages. Here are the 5 reasons it's happening, ranked by impact, and exactly how to fix each one. The frustration pattern. Listings up. Some views maybe, no sales. You start blaming the product, the niche, eBay itself. The actual reason is usually one of 5 things, and 4 of them are fixable today. 5 reasons: bad title, generic photos, wrong price, slow shipping promise, and the silent killer at number 1, which we'll get to, from least impactful to most impactful. Reason 5. Generic AliExpress photos. eBay penalizes listings with stock images that already appear elsewhere. Buyers also skip them. They recognize the format instantly. The fix. DropMind processes the photos through filters that make them unique to your listing. New angles, clean backgrounds, watermark removal. Different listing, same product. Reason 4. Slow shipping promise. If your listing says delivery in 3 to 4 weeks, buyers move on. eBay's algorithm deprioritizes listings with long handling time. Quick pause. Like and subscribe. 1 new video every 3 days. Real tactics. Back to the 5 reasons. The fix. DropMind filters AliExpress suppliers by minimum rating 4.7 and only suggests products with documented fast shipping. The promise on the eBay listing matches reality. Reason 3. Wrong price. Too high, buyers ignore. Too low, eBay flags as suspicious. The price has to land in a specific window for the category to convert at all. The fix. The repricer keeps your price in the competitive band for the category, but never below your real margin. Stays competitive automatically while you sleep. Reason 2. Bad title. AliExpress titles are written for AliExpress search. They don't work on eBay search. Wrong keywords, wrong order, brand names that trigger Vero bans. The fix. The AI rewrites every title for eBay search. Keywords ordered by buyer intent, brand names removed for Vero safety, length optimized. The same product ranked completely differently. And reason number 1, the silent killer. The one most sellers never fix because they never realize it's the problem. Ready. Reason number 1, 0 buyer trust signals. Empty store, no sold count, no reviews. The listing looks legitimate to you, but to a buyer, it looks like a scam waiting to happen. They don't buy from accounts that look new. Trust signals. Sold count visible. Store name branded, description detailed. Returns policy clear. Each one tiny on its own. Combined, they're the difference between 0 conversions and the first sale. DropMind builds these signals safely. Smart pacing publishes listings at a sustainable rate, so your sold count grows without flagging the account. Descriptions auto-formatted for the category. Trust compounds. 5 reasons, 5 fixes. Generic photos, slow shipping, wrong price, bad title, no trust signals. Each one solvable, all of them automated inside DropMind. DropMind is live now. €249 one time. Code eBay50 at checkout for 50 off. You pay $199. No subscription. Email with credentials seconds after payment. Download, log in, fix the 5 reasons in your existing listings today. Comment which reason hits you hardest right now. I read them and yes, I reply. Subscribe for 1 new video every 3 days, all real tactics. DropMind, 5 problems solved in 1 tool. Get it today at dropmind.software.